Hey there, it's Matt with 1T Fit and Finish. We got our Schluter Kerdi membrane hung. Now let's do some layout and start setting some 1x2 tile. Check it out. I start by laying out the tile on the floor with the spacers I'll be using to set the tile. I found that most tile manufacturers' sizes vary slightly, sometimes even varying between boxes. I get good measurements so I can see where the breaks will be and best way to lay out on the wall. Next, I find the center line on the back wall. On this wall, the window is offset from center. If I align to center, I'll have a small 1-inch sliver of tile running along the window, and I definitely don't want that. My solution is to offset the center grout line to the left to run parallel with the window. If installed correctly, the drain end of the tub should be the lowest point. I measure off the laser line and find where that point is, cut a piece of tile for a marker, and find out where the top of the first row of tile should be. I double check off the measurements from where I laid the tiles out on the floor. If I use a full width on the first row, I'll have a 1/2-inch sliver above the window, and we definitely don't want that either. Okay, we've measured everything out. We know we had to move this line over from center line in order to not have a sliver alongside the window, and we want the grout line on top of the window to coincide. So we measured it down to 47 7/16 plus 1/8 of an inch grout line, and this line is where the top of the tile will go. So now we have to cut every single tile on this bottom row. So in reference to these laser lines, I'm going to start my first row of tiles here. And then the next one up will be here, and then by the time I get up to my third row, we'll be back to here, so I should only have to make straight cuts. Let's get started on that. I mark the tile upside down and backwards, then transfer the measurements to the front of the tile for the bottom cut. get the bottom row cut and dry fit, then grind a taper on the back bottom edge of each tile to avoid the tub flange pushing the tile out of plumb with the wall. I'm using a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch square notch trowel and back buttering to set these tiles. Next, I cut the Schluter Jolly trim that will be used to frame the window. I'm not gonna lie, this is one of my favorite parts of tiling. Onto the valve wall, I mark a tile and using my angle grinder cut the mixing valve hole. cut the hole for the shower arm. I measure, mark, and cut the Schluter Jolly trim that will be used on the top of the shower wall. Instead of trimming my tiles flat on the round corners of the tub, I prefer to scribe the curve. This allows for a cleaner finished look in the end. I trim the tile so that it is close to the curve, then use the marker to scribe the arc. Due to the curvature of the tub, the line has to be freehanded to curve slightly closer to the vertical angle of the tub. This takes a little practice. Unfortunately, due to this little bump out in the wall, I do have a small sliver that I have to cut. I use Kerdi-Fix to set this little sliver to reduce the possibility of it popping off the wall. I'm using the Spin Doctor leveling system to reduce tile lippage. Well, the tile's set. Thanks for sticking it out to the end of the video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon for notifications for upcoming videos. This is Matt with 1T Fit Finish. Thanks for watching.